What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find startup apps on your PC or laptop. Now, being able to find startup apps will allow you to basically enable or disable which application you want to start up on your PC. And I recommend that you want to disable as much as possible if you don't want them to start up on your PC, because disabling them will help to speed up the processes that start once your computer start up. So you want to disable as much as possible. So you want to go ahead and just access your task manager, right? Right click on the taskbar in Windows and you can quickly access task manager. Now on the left side, click on startup apps. And this is how you can actually find all those startup apps. As you can see, for example, in my case, I even have Canva as a startup app. So what I'm going to do, I don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and disable. So Canva should not be starting up on my computer. And as you can see right here as well, the startup impact is high. So we don't want that because it's slowing down the process of our computer. So I recommend that you go through the list, find all those different applications that are currently starting up on your PC. For example, Microsoft Team as well. I'm going to disable that, even though it's low, but you want to focus on all of them. It doesn't matter if they're high or low. You want to go ahead and disable them so that they don't start up on your computer, right? So disable them and they will not be starting up on your computer, slow down your computer, and your computer will be running very fast, very smooth once you start up. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can quickly access those startup apps and disable them on your PC or laptop.